Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do Google Slides animation and take a Memoji character or like an avatar character, and then you're going to animate the character inside of Google Slides. You are going to first build out your page using the clip art that you see here that I have here, all these little individual pieces of clip art, and you're going to build out this area based off of things that you like, things that fit into your style of living that you are living right now. So you first want to add a background to your to your page, like a theme, before you start animating, so that there's continuity across the animation. I chose Cartoon Floor to make sure every page was similar. You can choose something else, such as Cartoon Pool or clip art background of anything that you're interested in. Like if you like sports fields, you can use a football field. Say if you're really into playing football, and you can choose something like one of these images here and insert it right into your slide. Also, to make your animation seem more realistic, what you want to do is bring in your likeness or another character's likeness and make sure there's no background on the character so that it fits right into the program. You can use remove.bg to make sure that there's no white background around your avatar, emoji, or likeness. Then you can do things like add in using this image icon, search the web. You see here it says search the web. Unless you already have the images on your computer, you can click upload from computer, or if they're on your drive as well. And then you can begin to add in various pieces to your slide. And that's how I was able to add in my clip art window, which is here. And I inserted those on the background into the room to make the animation just look a little bit more realistic, have a 3D depth to it. That's what you can add in. And then, of course, I added in a chair. If I wanted to add in a sofa or a dining room table, I could have gone to search web and then add in dining room table. And then I could have added that into my animation to make it look more realistic. So there's many things that you can add right into your space to make it look more realistic, like an actual room. Now what I can do is take the table from here and then put the table, I mean the chair here. Take the chair from this slide here and then add it right over here. And now what I wanted you to do in this assignment is go into the call outs and put the communication bubbles here, the call out bubbles. You can drag the call out right over to the mouth of the emoji and then add in your name, age, and some hobbies. Things that you like to do, like swimming, if you like to swim. If you like cheering, you're a cheerleader, you can add cheerleading. But you want to add in some things that go along with cheerleading. Like if you like cheerleading, go back over here to the images, search the web, and then you want to add in pom-poms. So here is where you're going to populate your slides. Some of the things that you're like interested in. So you can add in the black pom-poms. You can add in this animated character here. But make sure that you incorporate things into the assignment that fit into your style of hobbies and the things that you like to do. So you're going to go from slide to slide, adding in those individual pieces. I added in the plants here, and then I added in a friend and spoke about the friend that I like to talk to. And then I clicked share, publish to web. Then here's the important part to make it animated. Click every second, start slideshow, restart slideshow after last slide. Take this link, and you're going to go and add it into the toolbar here, and then you're going to see your animation. So that's important for this assignment, to make sure that you add that animated piece in there and the link, and then you're going to turn the link into me so that I can see your animation as well. And your animation will play similarly to this here, and it just moves on its own, utilizing the link that was that we just saw there. And you can go back in and add, once you see how well your animation moves or how well it's not moving, you can add different pieces in to see what you need to update, so that your animation plays more smoothly, timely, and seamlessly. You don't want it to be kind of choppy. So take some time to spend time with your animation and see what works and doesn't work. And it just publishes live to the web. But just let me see the link though, so that I can see that you did the assignment. It seems like the more slides that you have, the better the animation will play. So you see here, I'm up to 7 slides. But if you have something where you're throwing a football or basketball, you may want to have more slides than 7 slides, depending on how well you work out your animation. Make sure you have a foreground, mid-ground, and background. The foreground are the things that's closest to you. Mid-ground are things like back by the horizon line, and then the background would be like this wall back here in the windows to give the animation some depth. Those are the things that you're looking for. Okay, thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, you can email me. And that's the end of our tutorial.